This is definitely an interesting one here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1936 Ford Cunningham town car. Now, Cunningham was a company back in the 1800s, would do sleigh production, hearse carriages is what they're known for building. And then by the Great Depression, they decided to produce a lower level town car and would make it on a Ford chassis. So it's a 1936 Ford vehicle to start out with, and then they actually put an aluminum body on it. So we have a flathead V8 underneath the hood, steel fenders, and then, like I said, the aluminum body. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there. You always call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint, yes, it shows its age. This is not a fully restored vehicle or anything like that, but quite rare. There's some information out there, and there's some discrepancies, but you'll see anywhere from 35 to 37 of these were produced. Of that amount, there's known to be 17 in existence. And again, just kind of going with information that's out there. And again, rear fenders, also steel, running boards, but this actual body would be aluminum. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the paint shows its age. Kind of flaking in the rear here, but you can actually see the aluminum underneath the paint. And again, still pictures. Take your time looking through it. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, this vehicle, we will fire it up. You'll be able to hear it run. As far as transmission, though, it does need some care in the transmission. Transmission's noisy. Will it move and can you drive it? Yes, but we're not going to recommend it until the transmission's gone through. The consignor of this vehicle has chose to sell it the way it is, make that announcement. So we're passing it on and letting the next buyer of this vehicle know that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this rear. Get an idea what it looks like in the interior. Now, the top up here, you can unscrew right there, that nut off of there. This will fold down, and there is a soft top that extends out and will hook up here. And I'll see if I can get that in the pictures. Yes, it does show its wear, and obviously is tight from age, but I'll see if I can get it pulled out and have that in the still pictures for you. Another thing I want to let you know about, the battery is located right underneath here, floorboard. And what I'm going to do is that battery disconnect, I'm going to get that hooked back up and come back here in just a second, and we'll get this fired up. You can hear it start, and we'll check out underneath the hood. All right, so I got the battery terminal hooked up, but I want to let you take a peek at the engine bay. We're going to fire it up soon. Here it run too, but there's the flathead V8, which you'd expect in a 36 Ford or single barrel carb. And all right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Check this out, old radio, not working. I want to show you intact and still there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. We're gonna, just a little bit of throttle here. Not gonna choke it, we're inside. It should start fine without the choke. Fires right up. Like I said, we've had this running. It's just not one that you're gonna want to drive the way the tranny is in it right now, just so you're aware of that. I'll give it just a little more throttle. There we go. Listen to that smooth flathead. So again, a little bit of care. If you want to restore it, keep it the way it is. But quite a rare car. 1936 Cunningham town car. Here at Unique, especially in classics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get that top out. I'll at least get some still pictures of it on our website if you don't see it at the end of this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, I did get this unfolded so you can actually see at least how it works. So vinyl from the top unrolls from that compartment that I showed you underneath there. And these are also folded up in there, the side bars above the windows. And there is glass in there. You'll be able to see that in the pictures. We do have that rolled up so you can see the glass. And it's tight, a little brittle, and obviously shows its age. So I didn't want to pull it real tight, but you can see where it would be just like a touring car top, where it hooks at the front, and then you would screw it tight. So at least you get an idea how it works and can see it. And again, it will need some TLC if you want to restore it and have that like new and be able to hook up and keep you dry. But tell you what, neat car to have. Not a lot of them made. Won't see these every day. Give us a call.